Hey guys, just for context, I like to throw this little clip in here. During the test, you'll see that the new siren at Tasoma's kind of outdoes this one. But after the test, this is me making sure that it was working, and it definitely went off. So... Alright, would a Tasomas video be without this thing? So here it is. The reason it didn't sound with its Whelens was because it was misbehaving all day. For whatever reason, it works. It's got a brand new board, and the batteries were the issue last time, so those were replaced. However, after this video, it decided to blow an amplifier. Not exactly sure if it's due to dirty collector rings, but we will be cleaning those and replacing the amplifier to be continued.